Well, I have a unplanned learning opportunity. I was getting ready to do a clip on the 5034 IO. I'm really super excited about it. And we're actually going to build two setups. And over here, this one was going to have IO link on it. And so I had an IO link power supply from Venus Contact. I'm like, well, we ought to pop that on too. That way we can connect it to the 5034. But it's got a red and angry flashing light on it. And I get the feeling it's because the default amps is maybe too low, but we need to plug into the power supply module through IO link, I think, to figure out why the power supply module won't power up. But I gotta get the power supply module powered up to get the IO link working. So yeah, I got plenty of IO link modules I could use. I got a BALF one here, I got an IF one here, I got a banner one here, but I got no power on it because this is the IO link trainer. So I drug over the Kinetics trainer, which also has a Turk one on it. Of course, I tried to go to that page and it's not available because brilliant me didn't think about the fact that it gets power for the Ethernet switch off the same power supply. So we'll come over here and plug directly into it. Oh, now we got some action. Then I'll go over here to the IODD configurator. Wow, I actually got that word out the first time this time. Usually I fumble all around. And it does say we have a device on port 1. We'll hit that magical web search button. Uh-oh. Well, apparently it ain't going to be that easy this morning. PING space Google.com. Uh-oh. I don't have my fancy web settings in, apparently. ncpa.cpl, enter. Well, since I don't have the IO link powered, I can't get to the internet now. So we'll go over here and we'll switch over to the good old Wi-Fi for a second. Click OK. Now I can't connect to the device. Well, Venus Contact has a QR code. Let's see what it says. All right, and that takes us to their product page, and they do have some downloads down here. Oh, Control F, IODD. There it is. This file includes the thingies. It's under device description. How about that? So now we'll go ahead and download that. Then I can go hit the load IODD file and go to my downloads, and I extracted it, and it's probably this little swirly wheel one right here. All right, now it says it's happy. And if we go down to the process data, process data, well, channel 1 is trying to restart, but the rated current is 1 amp. Here's I mounted the power supply. Well, actually, I mounted the power supply the right way. I mounted it so you can see the indicator, which means I can't tell what it actually is. Oh my God, and I mounted it good. So, with a little help from Stanley and Professor Plum, there we go. Oh, good grief. Now I need to take a picture of this and figure out what it actually says. And it says it outputs 3.75 watts. So now the question is exactly how do we change that? Here we go. Process data output. Yeah, 3.75, not watts. Good grief, that would be a pathetic amount of power. 3.75 amps. Huh, that's interesting. That probably is the magic number right there since it says 3.8 right here. So we'll go ahead and pop that in. And we'll hit the right button. And now, if I hit my reset, well, it still won't go. Oh, and that's because, yeah, this is the process output data. And yes, By the time I got back over here, it's back at 1 amp. That's not where we want to do it. We want to go up here to parameters. Then we should be able to go down and probably find, there we go, rated current. Now we select 3.8 NEC and we write that one. And now, if I hit my reset button, whoa, I got blinky lights.